pimps.
Hey pimps.
Hey pimps.
So, my name's Anna.
And I'm Emma.
And this is our YouTube channel. Very
Heck
first
yeah.
video, so if you're watching, you're blessed. Okay, so today we're going to be doing the yoga challenge. And
We have 7 poses mixed up.
Yes, so enjoy.
Okay, so we're gonna start off easy doing this pose. We'll insert a photo.
Okay, so.
Oh wait, I think it's 2.
Wait, lock arms.
I think it's 2.
3, wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Put your legs out. Okay, so by the way, we're videoing off of an iPhone 6.
S.
Yes. So, that's like the best quality ever.
Mm-hmm.
We did have her iPhone 4.
Yes.
But before that, we had this iPad.
Yeah.
Like all the YouTubers do it, they always video on iPads. And we're just
Definitely.
like, you know what, we're gonna step up the game and do an iPhone 6S because that's like
Yeah.
the best, top notch. So, if you're jealous, be jealous. I mean, there's nothing we can do about it. We're sorry. Well, we're not sorry. Haters
Sorry,
gonna
not
hate.
sorry.
Okay.
Haters gonna hate.
We try to. Okay.
We have to sit down at the same time.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
We got
This is so hard. We got it.
What's up? What?
Okay, next one we're gonna be doing this.
We're gonna insert a picture.
Give me your toes. Okay.
No.
Now.
Okay, I think we need to hold hands first.
Smart.
Okay, now put our feet together.
Okay. Our feet just farted.
Ow! That hurts
No,
so
your carpet
bad.
burn. Oh. Thank you.
We nailed it.
Okay. Next, we're gonna do this pose.
Insert.
She's gonna be the guy again because she is one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Also,
Wait, actually, I think I should be the guy.
okay. I think I'm lighter though. I mean, you're lighter.
I'm gonna break your back. Looks pretty easy.
Definitely.
We can do this. We got this. Okay. Little biatch.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Oh my god. Faster.
Oh my ankle's popped. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2.
Get in a push-up position.
Mm.
Now I'm gonna put.
I'm gonna get on my knees first, and then I'll like.
Oh my god! What if I break your feet? Wait, I'm longer than you, so that means you have to get on top.
Okay. We can accomplish that.
Pose
any
number
day.
4.
Get your foot.
I got it.
What just happened was
Fun.
Okay, you're breaking me.
Oh, sorry.
Here, I'll just do doggy style because I'm good at that.
So get in a triangle. Illuminati.
Confirm. I'm thirsty. Don't worry, I came prepared. Watch this. Watch this. Oh. I can't do it because my stomach's camera shy. And I don't know why I have a boyfriend. So we're sweating because it's just really hot, you know. It's kind of hot. Whoa. A little too hot. Oh, I know what made me hot. It was this precious.
This one looks extremely easy, like,
Like,
it's basic.
I think anyone can do this. Phew, it's so hot. God. This.
Insert photo.
Do I have a camel toe?
Oh my gosh, this is so hard for me. Here, yeah, put them on my shoulders and then I'll lift them up. Grab my ankles. Oh my god.
Positive, gang.
Yeah.
Pose number
5.
13.
Yes.
14.
14. Insert photo.
This. I have an idea. Why don't we just move this back some? Now I have so much more room.
Yes.
Why
Why
don't we
you're
do this
gonna
on
have to
top
do
of
it that way.
Okay.
So your head goes that way.
Why can't
Oh
I go
God.
in? Okay. So do this. Okay.
Here's my foot.
Okay, give me my foot.
Oh my god.
Yes!
I was totally cheating because I was leaning against the bed.
What? Huh?
Nailed it.
Yes! My gosh, it's a bug!
It's alive. Get it. Oh, it flew away. Okay. It's right there.
Hey, look, it's Miss Scodia.
I got it.
Okay, so we killed that bug for y'all. Just so, like, so it wouldn't be in y'all's room. So y'all are welcome. Thank us in the comments.
Bye.
Juice. Ew, look at that. Ew, ew. Oh my gosh, what is ew? Okay, guys, thank y'all for watching our yoga challenge video.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and if you liked it,
Give
then,
it a thumbs up.
and if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. What